This is how you can create an Instagram chatbot to turn your DMs into leads and customers. And I've helped Instagram accounts of all sizes to transform their DMs into real results. For example, with Claire, we moved over 3,000 people to our email list and many of them became customers. Or take Shruti, we just launched one funnel and we generated over 1,000 leads and also a ton of sales. And if you follow the steps in this tutorial, you can get similar results. And by the end of this video, you will also get the template for free, so you can just copy and paste it and you don't have to build it yourself. And we will create your Instagram chatbot in just 3 simple steps. So let's start with the first one, which is creating your Manychat account. So Manychat is one of the best chatbot platforms for Instagram, and I've used them over the last 5 years for almost all of my clients. And I use Manychat because it's easy to use, it's 100% meta approved, and it's also very cheap. They offer a free plan and you can already get started with the pro plan for just $15 a month. So if you go to the link in the description and you use my discount code, you get 1 month of the pro plan for free. So you can either click on that link or you can just go to chatamize.com/MC and that will bring you directly to the Manychat website. And then here you can just click on get started and then choose for Instagram. And I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel that covers how you can connect your Instagram account to Manychat. So after you've watched this video, I highly recommend going to that video as well. So I already have a Manychat account, so I would just click on sign in and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I'm logged into Manychat, and then to create our chatbot, we need to go to automation, and then here we're going to create a new folder to keep everything structured. So I will create a new folder called Instagram chatbot, and then I will just go to this folder, and then inside this folder, we will create our automations. So here we can just click on new automation, and then Manychat creates the automation for us. So in the rest of the video, we will create a lead generation funnel. So let's say you are a content creator and you're in the finance space, then we're going to give away a free guide. So we're going to give away a free investing guide. And what you can do is inside your Instagram posts and inside your Instagram stories, you can give away free value, and then at the end of the story or at the end of the post you can say comment guide below and I will send over my free investing guide. Or in your Instagram story you can say, okay, DM me the word guide and I will send over my free investing guide. And then in Manychat what we will do is we will ask for someone's name, we will ask for someone's email, and then we will deliver that lead magnet all in the DMs. And that's what we are going to create right now. So in Manychat, each automation starts with a trigger, and the trigger is an event that starts the automation. So in this case, we want to start our automation when someone DMs us the word guide or when someone comments the word guide. So let's start with the comment trigger. So here you can just click on new trigger, then select Instagram and then click on user comments on your post or reel. So first we need to determine on what post or reels we want to reply. And I recommend going with all post or reels because then we can just create this automation once and then reuse that across all of our posts and reels. And then we need to specify the keyword. So again, in your posts and in your stories, you want to say comment guide below or DM guide below. And then here we're going to specify that we want to reply to the word guide. And I also recommend adding a few misspellings. So it could be that people misspell the word. So you can add some variations here. So I will do that right now. And then we can click on continue. And then we need to set up the public reply. So the public reply is an automatic comment in the comment section. So whenever someone comments the word guide, we can automatically reply to that comment. And inside this public reply, you basically want to do 2 things. You want to excite people for the thing that they will be getting. So in this case, that will be the investing guide. And you want to say to them that they need to go to the DMs in order to get it. So that's what we will do right now. So I'll just copy this from my second screen. But we will say, can't wait for you to start with investing. Please check your DMs and message requests, because it could be that a DM is inside the message request folder. People will start looking for it. So already say that here in the public reply. Then we will have another one, which is, let's get started with your first investment. Just send a DM. And a third one, which is that's the first step to investing. Check your DMs and message request folder. And what Manychat will do is like Manychat will just randomly pick one of these replies so it doesn't look spammy or doesn't look like a bot on Instagram. So now you can just hit save. And now we created our trigger. So this trigger works for comments. And then we need to create a separate trigger, which will work for DMs. So here we can click on new trigger, click on user sends a message, detect specific words in a message, and then say if the message begins with guide, or again, add some misvariations here, some misspellings, then we're going to start this automation. So here we can click on create, and that is our second trigger. So now we created our trigger. So when someone DMs us the word guide, or when someone comments the word guide, then we automatically send them a DM conversation. So in order to do that, you can click here on Instagram, and you need to make sure that this is set to send as a comment reply. If this is not set to send as a comment reply, it will not work. And then inside this first message, you basically want to confirm the interest in the free investing guide. So what we will say is, and I will copy this from a second screen, looks like you're ready to make your first investment and earn some passive income. Get instant access to my free investing guide and learn the exact steps to grow your money the right way without the guesswork. Just click the button below or reply with wealth to get your free guide now. And then here we can also add a quick reply. So a quick reply is basically a button where people can click on in the Instagram DM. Whenever they click on the button, then we can send them the next message. So here we can add an emoji, and then we can say, yes, send it over. And then we can connect that to another automation. So we basically create one funnel, and that funnel consists of two automations. So we are going to create our second automation. So again, go back to automation, go to the Instagram chatbot folder, and then here we can create a new automation. I will just call this Instagram chatbot, and then get information. And here I will call it Instagram chatbot, and then confirm interest. So what we actually do is whenever they click this, then we want to start this second automation. And we want to start this second automation when they reply with wealth. And I just want to quickly talk about like why we do this or reply with wealth. And basically the reason for this is that if you are on desktop or if you are on an Instagram app that's like pretty old, then you don't see this quick reply. Like it doesn't appear, like no one sees it. And then people will start DMing you with, hey, I don't see a button, and you will get a lot of DMs and people cannot opt in for the lead magnet. So for these cases, what we do is we say or reply with wealth. So in order to do this, to this second automation, we will add a new trigger. And again, we will choose the user sends a message. And then we say, if the message begins with wealth, and again, we will add some misvariations here. And we will also add one with double parentheses, like basically because you also have that here with double quotes, and then one with single quotes as well. So whenever they do that, so whenever they click on this quick reply or they send a message with wealth, then we're going to start the rest of the automation. And the rest of the automation, we're basically ask for their name, we ask for their email, and we deliver our free guide, right? So let's do that right now. So here, the next step is an Instagram message. And then inside this message, we say, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. And then we add a delay of 3 seconds, and then we want to collect their first name. So in order to collect their first name, we need to use the data collection. So with a data collection, you can basically ask a question and then store the answer in a Manychat field. So in this case, we want to ask for their first name and store that answer in the first name field in Manychat. So the question here will be, what is your first name? And then we say, just type in your first name below. And then the reply type will be first name. So when they reply to this question, it will be saved in the first name field. And we will set the data collection expires. Like by default, it's set to 30 minutes. I think this is pretty short because then people only have 30 minutes to reply to this question. And sometimes just people forget and they come back and then they reply. That doesn't work. So we set it to 23 hours. So people have a very long time to reply to this. And then we will remove the skip button text. So if you leave the skip there, people can just type in skip. And that's not something that you want. So we remove that, right? So this is what we do. We ask for their name. And then once they reply to this question, what we do is we send another message. And we can actually use their name in this message. So here we can say, nice to meet you. And then you can either type in a bracket on your keyboard, or you can just click here on the brackets and then you can say first name. So we can use the value and then say nice to meet you first name. And then we add another data collection element. And then we say, what is your email? Or even better, I will just copy this from my second screen. It's like, and on what email do you want to receive your guide. So you can basically give people a reason why they need to give their email, because we send it by email. So just type in your email below, and then here you need to make sure that the reply type is email. Once we set the reply type to email, Manychat will automatically check if the provided email is actually in the format of an email. So for example, if someone replies with just their name, then we can send a message with, hey, this doesn't look like an email. So again, we will set the data collection to 23 hours. And then here we have the retry message. So this is the message if someone doesn't give their correct email. So we say, it looks like this isn't a correct email. Could you enter a correct one? And then we can again add an emoji here. We can just copy this. And again, we will just remove the skip button text. So when they give their email, then we basically have all the information. Like we have their name, we have their email, we deliver our free guide, right? So that's the last step. Is here we have Instagram. And then we can say, you're all set. Can't wait for you to get started with investing. Just click the button below to get instant access. And then here we can add a button. We can add an emoji with access free guide. And this can open up a website. So for example, if you have this stored on a Google Drive or stored on your personal website, you can basically just click here on open website and then add in the link going to that specific guide. In this case, I will just type in the name of my URL. And I just want to quickly talk about one other mistake that I have seen people making. And I just want to quickly talk about this. Like what we do here is we collect all of the information in the DMs. And the reason why we do this is that a chat funnel on average has a conversion rate of 50%. So that means if 100 people come into your funnel, 50 people at least will become a lead. And what I've seen many people doing in Manychat is what they do is they just send a link to a landing page. And a landing page only converts at 6%, like on average. So that means that if 100 people come to your landing page, only 6 people will sign up. And that's why it's so incredibly important that you create a chat funnel, that you create a funnel that collects all of their information in the DMs and not use a landing page for this. So that's what I quickly want to talk about. This is all working. So now we can click on set live. And then we also need to make sure that we connect the two automations. So here what we can do, when people click on yes, send it over, then we start another automation. And that is the second automation we just created. So here again, Instagram chatbot, get information, pick this automation, set live. And that's it. So now how this works is that every time someone comments the word guide or DMs you the word guide, they will get this first message. Then if they click on this button or they reply with wealth, then they will go to our next automation and then we say, awesome, just a few quick steps. What is your name? What is your email? And then we say, you're all set. Here is the guide. And what you can also do is once you get their name and get their email, we can also automatically send that to an email marketing platform or for example, your CRM. So in Manychat, if you go to settings, and then here you go to integrations, then Manychat has some pre-built integrations. So for example, with Google Sheets, with Hotmart, with ChatGPT, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp. And you can basically connect your Manychat account to one of these platforms. And then once you have done that, what you can do here is when you got someone's email, you can add an action on reply. And then once you do that, you can just select the platform that you have. So for example, in my case, I have Mailchimp, and then we can just add the contact to a list. So whenever we get someone's information, like their name and email, we automatically add it to Mailchimp as well. And that's basically how you set up the automation. Let's see how this looks on Instagram. So now I'm on my Instagram account, and then if I go to one of my posts and then comment with the word guide, then I automatically get a DM with looks like you're ready to make your first investment and earn some passive income. Just click the button below or reply with wealth. So then when I click on yes, send it over, then it says, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. What is your first name? Then I'll reply with my first name. Then it says, nice to meet you, Joran. And on what email do you want to receive your guide? So then I just enter my email. As you're all set, Joran, can't wait for you to get started with investment. Just click the button below to get instant access. And that's how you can create an Instagram chatbot to turn your DMs into leads and customers. And if you want to get started with this quickly, you can download my free template with the link in the description. But this is just one of the ways how you can automatically reply to your DMs. The next step is to automatically reply to DMs and questions using AI. So if you want to learn how you can do this, please check out this video.